Guys, my Centra is evolving. I don't know what to do. But I have something to tell you guys. Boom! Charmeleon. We have Charmeleon, and he is actually massive. And by the way, we actually caught through the episode, I actually caught a Pidgeotto. So now we've got 2 flying types, but I think we'll be using Pidgeotto for a long time. So yeah, hopefully we could get some wins here. Well, win dubs on like battles. As you can see here, Charmeleon stats, moves. He's got Fire Spin, he's got Ember, he's got Dragon Rage, and he's got Scratch. Sentry, who was supposed to evolve, he's got that, and Magikarp's got to evolve into Gyarados. So yeah, I'll see you guys when there's a trainer around. Alright, let's see what this guy's got. He's got a level 100 Pokemon. Should I actually battle him? No, I'm swag enough. Let's go. He's got a Rattata. His name's Steve as well. Love it. Ooh. Tail Whip. That did nothing. Oh my gosh. Bro, nothing's doing anything to this thing. Ooh. A little bit of damage there. A quick attack. Is this guy just gonna use Tail Whip every time? I don't know if this is an IQ play or not. I think his only move's Tail Whip. If he does it again. Yep, Tail Whip's his only move. Tail Whip's his only move. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to keep switching through my Pokemon. And then everybody will get the XP. So that means that... Oh yeah, let's try this Dragon Rage. Oh! Did you see how much damage that did? When he's a level 100 Pokemon. Oh, what? That's ridiculous. Alright, Pokemon. No, not Charmeleon again. Ooh. Actually, I'll do one more Ember and see if he gets burnt. Damn it, he didn't get burnt. Pokemon. Magikarp. Ooh, Magikarp can evolve. Magikarp can evolve in this moment here. I'm just gonna get my pillow. Yes. Pokemon center it. And then I'll go back to Charmeleon. Alright, Charmeleon. Alright. Both Charmeleon and Pidgeotto evolve in level 36. And we're way... Bro, look how much damage that Dragon Rage does. Oh my gosh. Look how much damage it's doing. Do it again. Done. Look how much XP everyone got. 12 Pokédolls, really? Pidgeotto 19, 17, 15. What the heck? Oh my gosh. By the way, why isn't my Centra evolving? Wait guys, I'm actually going to fix that because it's actually... Wait, on Google right here. So yeah, I was doing some things. Centret evolves. It says level 15. Wait, I'm just gonna go back and see what happened. I'll do something for a second, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna take my Centret out, and I'm just gonna give it a rare candy. Just to do it, I think my own video, yeah, so Centret, come out here. It's supposed to evolve. It's not evolving. Why are you not evolving for me? Why is that not evolving for me? Wait, I'll try and do something else now. Wait, yeah. So I got 11 more rare candy, and I actually got myself a Centret. So, oh wow, whoa, and get him up where I was up to. So I was up to level 18. Do your Fury Swabs, full side. So he should evolve here, which he is doing, and go and get on the other side. It's a ferret. It evolved into a ferret. And agility. Oh, I'll give that to him. It's so cute. Helping hand, don't really need. And I got myself a ferret. Easy dubs there. Well, it wasn't easy dubs, but I mean, I got him, but yeah, we need to do some stuff with Hoot Hoot, because he evolves in 5 levels, which then makes me get a flying type Pokemon. So let's get lower level, please. Lower level trainer. You a trainer? I need some trainers. Wait, let me find some trainers. Okay, I found one. Wait, just wait. I need to eat. I gotta eat. Come on. It's gotta be the same thing, surely. Yeah, Eevee. Let's do Confusion. It's Sand Attack. That did nothing. Actually, put Eevee to sleep. Yes! Eevee's fallen asleep. Now just spam with Charmeleon. Dragon Rage. Oh, that does so much damage. It's doing so much damage. Damn it. Oh, she avoided the attack. Oh, come on. She avoided the attack. Alright, go into Magikarp. We'll do a water gun. Come on. I avoided the attack. Pokemon, Pidgeotto. Gust. Yes. Pokemon, Ferret. See what you can do. Scratch. Damn it. Come on, do something. Oh, come on. hit these. Hit these. Oh. Oh. 8 damage. Alright, go back to Pokemon Charmeleon. Oh! Oh no! Oh, he took the recoil damage! Oh, that's funny. Oh, Magikarp's evolving! Oh! Ooh! Laser Jam! Ooh! Ooh! I think Echo Voice has to go. Magikarp's evolving! Give me the Gyarados! Oh my gosh, it's huge! Magikarp's huge! Oh, buddy, we got a water! Oh my! Oh, oh, oh my gosh! Oh my! Oh! He's massive! He's absolutely huge! He's actually huge! Oh, that's actually massive! Control's not the Hey! Hey, I just beat you! And now you're just going on my bed? Hell no. Slash P key slash P key heal. Boy! We actually did it. First try, ooh. So, Hoothoot's my least best Pokemon? What are you saying? Ditto, is that you? Oh, sorry, my Ditto likes to play games with someone. Oh. Are you assaulting my... What? That was weird. That was super weird. Alright. Move Relearner. What's the... Oh. Oh, I just learned Bite. Nice. Gyarados. Thrash. Oh. Oh, this is huge. Splash. Get rid of Splash. Charmeleon. What have you missed? Oh, well, I don't really care about that. Ferret. How much damage? No damage. Okay. Pidgeotto. Whirlwind. Don't really care. And Hoodoo. Oh, Peck. Peck and Tackle and Echo Voice, but I think he's got better attacks than that. Woo! Woo! Huh. That was a rough day. Oh, so, ooh, can I battle you yet? Am I good enough? Nah, hell yeah. Gyarados, come on. Oh, look at this small one. Oh, I'm sorry, mate, for your loss. Oh. Oh. Bro, we nearly got one of the hugest Pokemon in the game. Oh, he's just spamming. Oh, you idiot. Yeah, he's avoided the attack as well. It's the same thing as Eevee. He avoided the attack as well, and he used Headbutt. Water Gunny. Come on. Hit. Yes! Yes, come on. I'll end the video. Please, just bite him. Just bite him. The video's gonna end. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button down below. If you want some more Pixelmon, make sure to drop a like. Hit him! I'll be doing Gyarados.